Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Shakespeare knot. We're keeping up with the literary works and authors as knot names. So let's go ahead and get started. This is, again, at the belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put that dimple in. You know the drill, guys. We're going to start with a cylinder. We're going to start this much like we did the Iceman. This is going to be a pretty simple knot because this is a thick tie and I don't want to run out of material. So we're just going to go around, let's say 3 times. And we'll call it quits. So then what I'm going to do is again, I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to go up through this top one here. And again, we're going to do what we did last time and keeping it folded. We got that kind of a, almost a key, loop looking thing. I don't know why I think of a keyhole. Looks like a keyhole. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half. We're going to fold it, and we're going to fold it around like that, so we have a point, right? So we have our point. I'm going to bring it around here, like so. I'm going to make sure it's nice and tight, and I'm going to come up and underneath here like this. And I want this to be visible. Right, so I want this to be this way, and I want this to be open like that, and I want that to be down there like that. So there you go. There's the Shakespeare knot. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and God bless.